Hello everyone, this is the Red Road Homestead. This is what I got out of the garden today. 2 tomatoes and 2 cucumbers, and that may be the last that I get out of the cucumbers because the heat here, no matter what watering, bone meal I'm putting in different things and stuff, just ain't working in this heat. But I found some solutions, so some things will be getting moved around. And here's the other cucumbers that I'm just going to use for seed, and I won't be weighing those. But yeah, that's caused from the heat, even though I was giving them water and stuff. So there's on that. And then I'll just take you outside here, show you what I did today. Now, my tomato plants over here by my deck are doing pretty good. So today, they're getting heavier and bigger. So of course I tied those tomato cages, because usually I got them going up a trellis, but you'll see why in a minute. They're not out there with trellises where I was gonna put them once I got finished because of the sun and the heat. So I'm gonna take you and, well, first off, I'll show you. These ones are gonna soon be going into buckets and going out there with the tomatoes I just showed you. I'm not taking a chance again. And there's got one growing right there. There's another tomato plant. I got to get in the buckets pretty soon. So, and the rest were my herbs. So, let me take you out here and show you why. Now I get less sun over here. They still get sun, but less sun. So I've moved those guys to there. And I'll show you what happened to the garden out here. I'm going to have to come up with a different thing or get a greenhouse built with fans and everything else, because this just ain't working. Now this tomato here, I brought it back to life. It was almost dead. And here's my choke, sun choke. These guys, which I got to get that little guy off, are just now starting to come back again. So hopefully, and I'll take all this dead off, and you can see starting to come back. And there's my other cherry tomato. Not doing too healthy there. So, just now getting the Amish pumpkins out there to come back. Zucchini, I just watered them for the night because the sun's starting to go down. He's doing better now. I've been trying to baby these cucumbers back. I don't know. We'll see. I know some vines are probably done. I do got a couple back here. We'll see what happens. My green beans, yeah, well, they bit the dust. Here's another tomato plant that's starting to come back. Probably won't do nothing, but this was all pretty much gone. And actually, it's looking a lot healthier than what it did. So, yeah, they all look like this pretty much. And they're coming back. Even my little Peter Pepper, but I don't think he's going to do nothing. So, well, we'll see. All trial and error. But normally if I had those out there already, I needed to weed those and get soil in them, because all's under it is cardboard and whatever you call that, wood chip stuff. But anyway, yeah, I'm trying to bring it back. Strawberry plants didn't mind much. I'm actually starting to get a couple more strawberries. I'm surprised. But anyway, that's what's going on. So I'm going to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And like I said, it's all on this learning curve for me, because I'm not used to Tennessee. I'm used to Michigan. But I'm not giving up. Oh, he got a tomato coming too. And something ate my potatoes straight down, and they're coming back. I mean, all the leaves were gone. Sweet potatoes, they're doing fine. So that's what I got for you today. Don't give up just because of the heat or drought like we've had. But keep on going, folks. If something don't work, try something else. So, yep, that's what I got for today. I'm not giving up. We're going to keep going because we're Team Aquarius strong. And I'm feeling froggy. Ribbit, ribbit. Bye for now, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.